Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you've ever dreamed of exploring the world while still earning an income, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to dive into the top 10 ways you can make money while traveling. So grab your notepad, because you won't want to miss these fantastic opportunities. Number 10, Digital Nomad Jobs. Digital nomad jobs offer a seamless way to sustain your travels. Embrace the freedom of remote work, whether it's crafting compelling content, managing social media strategies, providing virtual assistance, or driving online marketing campaigns. These roles empower you to earn while exploring the world, giving you the flexibility to adapt your work to your travel schedule. With a laptop and a reliable internet connection, you can seamlessly merge work and wanderlust, creating a fulfilling balance between professional growth and global adventure. Number 9, Work Exchanges. Work exchanges via platforms like Workaway or HelpX connect travelers with accommodation and occasional meals in return for a few daily work hours. This budget-friendly approach immerses you in local culture, whether on organic farms or in hostels. By sharing your skills and participating in community projects, you not only offset expenses but also forge meaningful connections and create a more enriching travel experience. Number 8, Language Teaching. Fluent in a language? Profit from it while traveling. Offer language tutoring in person or online using platforms like Italki and Preply. Connect with learners globally, fostering cultural exchanges and funding your adventures simultaneously. It's a fulfilling way to share your expertise, expand horizons, and explore the world without financial worries. Number 7, Photography. Capture your journey's beauty through photography. Proficient with a camera? Monetize your skills by selling travel photos on stock websites or providing photography services to tourists and local businesses. This artistic pursuit not only funds your travels but also immortalizes memories for others. Whether it's breathtaking landscapes or vibrant cityscapes, turn your passion into profit while exploring new horizons. Number 6, Tour Guiding. Share your destination expertise through tour guiding. Well versed in your travel spots? Embrace the role of a local tour guide, offering walking tours, food explorations, or niche experiences. This immersive venture not only supports your travels but also lets you curate memorable journeys for others. Whether it's historical insights or culinary delights, your passion for exploration becomes a source of income and a chance to connect with fellow adventurers from around the world. Number 5, House Pet Sitting. House pet sitting offers dual advantages. Provide house or pet care to secure free accommodation while supplementing your earnings. This arrangement ensures peace of mind for homeowners and grants you a comfortable base while exploring new destinations. It's a smart way to enhance your travel experience and financial flexibility. Number 4, Online Courses. Monetize your expertise in a digital realm. Create and market online courses or offer consulting services through platforms like Udemy and Teachable. This avenue allows you to connect with a global audience, turning your knowledge into a viable source of income. By sharing your insights, you not only earn but also enhance your travel experiences with a rewarding digital nomad lifestyle. It's a pathway that lets you contribute to personal growth while funding your exploration of the world. Number 3, Blogging. Transform your travels into a captivating narrative. Share your adventures through blogging or vlogging, and monetize your content with ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise, and ebooks. This dynamic platform not only documents your journey but also generates income, empowering you to fund your exploration while inspiring others to embark on their own adventures. By converting experiences into stories, you not only capture memories but also establish a sustainable way to continue exploring the world. It's a remarkable blend of creativity and commerce that enriches both your journey and your bank account. Number 2, Remote Work. Embrace remote work on your travels. Negotiate with your employer for flexible arrangements, allowing you to earn while exploring. With companies increasingly open to remote options, you can seamlessly balance work and adventure, discovering new places while staying productive and connected. Number 1, Freelancing. Turn skills into income while traveling. Freelance in writing, design, programming, and more on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Serve clients worldwide, seamlessly integrating work and exploration, as you contribute your expertise and earn on the go. And there you have it, travelers. The top 10 ways to earn money while exploring the world. Remember, it's not just about the income, it's about the experiences, the memories, and the adventure. Which of these methods resonates with you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Until next time, happy traveling and happy earning.